Hi students, how are you? Fine? Okay, I'm also fine. Now can we start our computer class? Yes. Class, we will know how we can edit and how we can format our document in MS Word. So first we will know what is editing and what is formatting. Okay? First we will know editing. Editing means making change in a document. Okay? What kind of changes? This may be correct the spelling, adding something in document, remove something from document, or copy something in document. Now we will see practically how we can do it in document. This is our Word document. First we will read. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. But C class, here spelling of complete is incorrect. Okay, we have to add L next to the P. Okay, so we will take the cursor here and we will type L. Now it is right. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Here we have corrected the spelling of complete. Now read next sentence. A word is a group of letters that has a meaning. If you are told to type this sentence, then you can copy that word from the first sentence also. How? First select that word by double clicking. First take the cursor by single click and then click twice to select it. Okay, सिंगल क्लिकिंग से हम कर्सर को उस पॉइंट तक ले जाते हैं और जिस भी वर्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है उस वर्ड पे पॉइंट करके हम डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो वर्ड हमारा सेलेक्ट हो जाता है. अब हम इसको कॉपी करेंगे. हाउ? बाय प्रेसिंग कंट्रोल प्लस C. The shortcut is control plus C. Now the word group is copied. Now we can paste here. First we will take cursor here by single clicking and we will use here shortcut key control plus V. Okay, see the word group is copied here. Okay, so this is called copy. Now we can see there are two words here, same words here, group and group. So now we need to delete one word. So again we will select a word. How? First we will take the cursor and double click. Okay, now the word is selected. Now we will press delete key. Which key? Delete key. See, the word is deleted, the word is removed. So here first we have corrected the spelling, second we have copied the word, third we have pasted word here, and fourth we have deleted a word. So these all kind of work are called editing. Okay, the next topic is formatting. Formatting means changing and arranging text to make it attractive and professional. The examples are to change the font style. Font style means text style. Okay, to change the font or text color, to make it highlighted, etc., etc. Okay, these all are called formatting. Now we will format our document practically. To select any word or any sentence or whole the document, first we have to select it. Here we will format the first sentence only, so we have to first select it. To select a sentence, we will take the cursor right side of that sentence and click once. Now the sentence is selected. Now we will click on home tab. It is already clicked. To format anything, the home tab is only used. Okay, so we will click on home tab. By default home tab is clicked. ये clicked ही रहता है जब तक आप दूसरा टैब क्लिक ना करें. ठीक है. Now we will click on this drop down arrow. Now C class, there are so many font style. We can select any one like this. Now the sentence is changed into that style. To change the size of this sentence, to do this, first we will select it. Now we will click home tab. It is already clicked. Now we will go on this bigger A. When we click bigger A, the size will be increased, and when we click smaller size A, then the size is decreased. Similarly, you can do this by this box also. Click on this drop down arrow. See the numbers. When we select larger number, then the size is increased, and when we click on smaller number, then the size is decreased. So in this way you can change the size. Now we will change the color of our text. For this we will first select it. It is already selected. Now we will click on home tab. It is already clicked. Now click on drop down arrow next to the text color. Click it. A color palette appears. Now you can select any one of the color. For example, I select red. Now the text become